You've been sewing till you've been hobby sewing.
Hi Nathan, it's lovely to have a catch up with you today. Tell us a bit about yourself.
Alright, I've been servicing sewing machines for 24 years now. Started off in 2001 on the Central Coast.
Yeah, 24 years, that's a long time. What sort of brands have you fiddled with?
All major brands, Banana, Brother, Husqvarna, Pfaff, Handy Quilter, Singer, Janami, all brands.
That's fantastic. And what sort of problems do you normally come across with machines?
Just the continual build-up of fluff and lint, just through the use of the machine, which they do need to be cleaned out regularly to keep them operating optimally.
Yeah, that makes sense, yeah.
And just fine-tuning to make sure tensions are always where they need to be, so that the customer is always happy with the use of their machine.
So you mentioned about the fluff build-up, right? How often would you need to clean out your machine to avoid that fluff build-up?
We recommend an annual service, and that way you're always on top of it, and then you can just remember the time of year that you get your machine serviced, and then it's easier to remember if you just get it done once a year.
Are they always the simple machines like the ones you see here with a single needle?
Oh no, we service everything from the bottom end, I didn't point at one in particular, but the lower end machines all the way up to the 10 needle embroidery machines. So just all machines need to be brought into store to be serviced, and then we can take care of all of your problems.
So what sort of turnaround are you looking at when you want your machine?
They're pretty quick here at Hobbysew. We usually maintain a 1 to 2 week turnaround, sometimes more if parts are required, but no, usually 1 to 2 weeks you'll have your machine back.
Well Nathan, that really does sound great. So if you are after your machine to repair, come in and this man will look after you.
Look forward to working with you all.
Thank you.
If you sew, it's a place to go.